Let's chat about the 6 essential elements of a real estate contract that you need to know. As a buyer, to make your offer stand out, or as a seller, to understand how these elements impact getting to the closing table as quickly as possible with the fewest contingencies and the most money in your pocket. Price. Understand that a higher contract price doesn't always translate into a better offer. Any requests for seller concessions, such as a request by the buyer to pay closing costs, will impact the bottom line. And financing types, like FHA and VA loans, can have mandatory expenses for the seller, which will impact the bottom line or limits on what the seller can contribute to the buyer's closing costs. Inspection contingencies impact the timeline of closing, and possibly the bottom line if there are a large number of repairs requested. Most mortgages require an appraisal, so any contract to purchase should include a provision for what to do if the appraised value is below the contract price. Timing. If a buyer needs a longer time frame in order to close, a seller will have to pay an extra monthly mortgage payment or the accrued interest, again impacting the seller's bottom line. Seller expenses include things like paying the principal balance due on the mortgage, prorated taxes, HOA transfer fees, mortgage interest, and title insurance. Those things on top of the items we already discussed will impact the bottom line, which is usually the main thing a seller will use to decide whether to accept, counter, or reject an offer to purchase. A skilled real estate professional can help you evaluate all these elements when negotiating to buy or sell a home. If you're planning to buy, sell, or invest in 2024, let's connect.